All right, what's up? So we're here at the Walmart. I want to install my new floor mats here on my 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. I went to Amazon. So for this, you're gonna have to just turn this and your old floor mats will pop right out. And it's very important that you put these locks on. Back in the early 2000s, there was an issue with Toyotas moving forward. It used to be Toyota moving forward. We would make fun of Toyota being like, Toyota moving forward uncontrollably. All right, what's up? So we're here at the Walmart, but we're not gonna go into Walmart. I'm gonna go into the Walmart, but you're not gonna come with me. So what am I doing here at Walmart today? What I wanna do here before I go into Walmart is I want to install my new floor mats here on my 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. So when I bought my Crosstrek, I looked for one specifically that did not come with the all-weather floor mats. My research showed that the all-weather liners that Subaru puts on the Crosstrek, it's not a great product. It gets the job done, but it's nothing special. Plus, it was like a $150 option. So what I did is I did not elect to buy Subaru, the official Subaru floor liners. I went to Amazon and I bought not the cheapest, but definitely not the most expensive floor liners that I could find on Amazon. They just came in the other day. There's not enough room in the driveway without me moving the Suburban and stuff out of the way, so I came over here to Walmart. Hopefully I don't get kicked out. I don't imagine I will. But yeah, I'm gonna take a few minutes here to install these floor liners here into the Crosstrek. Let's see how they go. Let's get to it. Here we go. This is for the rear row. Passenger, driver. So as mentioned earlier, these are not Subaru branded. These are Anbingo, isn't that from the Bible? Anbingo branded. In general, they definitely don't seem to be the highest quality, but they also don't seem to be trash. Let's go ahead and get them in. So for this, you're gonna have to just turn this and your old floor mats will pop right out. Don't get anything out of the way, of course. Pretty much, you just replace it. And it's very important that you put these locks on. Back in the early 2000s, there was an issue with Toyotas where the floor mats got lodged up on the gas pedal and they got stuck. And people died, sadly, because I guess Toyota did not have a brake override where it would cut the throttle. They all do now. Most modern vehicles do so. But yeah, you definitely want to make sure that your floor mats are secured using those security tabs there. That's going to make it so that the floor mat does not move while you're driving and you don't even get in that situation in the first place. Maybe that's why they changed their slogan from moving forward. It used to be Toyota moving forward. And then we would make fun of Toyota being like, Toyota moving forward uncontrollably. You just twist those. And then, yeah. That's pretty much it. And this thing's not going anywhere, hopefully. Yeah, and as we see there, it goes underneath the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. So my understanding is the Subaru floor mats did not have as much coverage as these aftermarket designs do. It's a much better design in general. Let's go ahead and get the other ones installed. This one here on the passenger seat, there is no need for a locking tab, so there is none. I think that one's gonna need to be used to kind of break in. Yeah, I don't dig how there's a little bit of a gap there, and it's just a little bit kind of not flimsy, but it's definitely not as good of a fit. Whereas here on the driver's side, it is a much better fit overall. There's no gap here. It is a little bit same thing here. Time will tell, time will tell. Like I said, this wasn't the cheapest, but it also definitely was not the most expensive. Here in the back seats, so the stock carpeted floor mats here do not cover the drive shaft tunnel. These new ones will. So here's these. Yeah, a little bit of gappage here. I'm telling if that'll potentially interfere. not like an amazing fit, but not a terrible fit either. I think it's gonna get the job done. Just as time goes on, the more you use it, it should start to fit better. Yeah, I really don't dig this part though. I guess that's better. I will say I really do like the fit here on the driver's side though, overall. And I guess in retrospect, that is technically the one that is the most important, the driver. All right, that's pretty much it on the floor mats. So we'll keep these good old-fashioned carpeted floor mats around, of course. I thought I'll bring them up for if we go to the snow. We could use them to use them as a traction device, recovery boards or something. Not really, I don't know. So that's pretty much it. Quick and simple. The Anbingo all-weather liners for the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. Initial impression is for the money. It looks to be all right. Definitely can be better ones got out there, but gonna be spending a lot more money. All right, and with that, got to get into Walmart, make some purchases. Catch you all on the flip.